Greetings, Green Thumb Gardening family. In this morning's video, following the storm, we're going to be taking the liberty of harvesting a few radishes from our row of radishes we have growing here in our fall garden. We have 20-day radishes and pink beauty radishes planted here in this row. We're going to start at the other end down here, work our way down. We'll show you the ones that we harvest. I'll also show you the ones that we leave and explain to you why we left those in the row as we go down. But here we go, Green Thumb Gardening family. This first guy here in this row didn't do so well. It's kind of an elongated radish, still edible, but not typically what we look for when we grow radishes. We typically look for radishes that are bulbous and round, and this one's not, but we're going to lay it to the side anyway because, again, it's still edible. Just sort of misshapen here in our garden. We're going down this row to this plant here. I'm going to pull this one out and see what it looks like. It too is somewhat elongated, but definitely still edible. Now these radishes are not a mild and sweet variety of radishes. These 20-day radishes and these pink beauty radishes will literally set you on fire. They're not to be eaten by themselves. Definitely something you want to slice thinly and put in salad or something like that. But definitely not something you want to eat raw and by itself. I'll leave that guy in and go ahead and pull this one out. And the storm did quite a bit of damage to our garden out here. We've got tomato plants that sprawled all out, pepper plants laying down, squash plants leaned over, green plants that's just completely battered. So we're going to harvest more than just these radishes today. However, we will only be showing you guys and bring you guys along for the radish harvest this morning. Another little guy there. I'm going to toss it back there on the pile. Make our way down. Nice looking radish. Nice looking radishes. You guys see that? We're super excited to be conducting our very first radish harvest from our fall garden here. Again, for those of you guys and gals who have not been following our channel for a while, we're gardening here in Grow Zone 8B. This guy actually split open from all of the excessive rain we received from that storm. You guys see that? That's due to excessive amounts of rainfall. Moving on down the line. Go ahead and pull that beauty right there out. Just lovely. Toss it back there on the pile. Go ahead and pull this little guy out here. Not as large as I like, but harvestable nonetheless. This is by far our largest radish from this harvest so far. It's one of our pink beauty radishes. Now, although these are around 20 to 30 day radishes, we planted these radishes here about, I think, almost a month ago. And some of these radishes are past harvest state, such as this one. Pretty big radish. Could have been harvested, these radishes. And as we go down the line, you'll see some of our radishes are smaller than the other ones. These are our 20-day radishes, these smaller guys here. Pull those out. A bit smaller than those pink beauty radishes. So we're super excited to be harvesting them nonetheless from our garden. Last but not least, our last pink beauty radish. I'm going to bring you guys down here and show you guys the totality of our radish harvest this morning here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. We'll get these radishes rinsed off a bit here, and we'll bring you guys right back and show you the totality of today's radish harvest from our fall garden here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Hang tight. All right, Green Thumb Gardening family, we're back, and this is the totality of today's radish harvest from our fall garden. Don't they look fantastic? Bam! Thanks for watching. And if indeed you do currently find yourself watching this video on our very first radish harvest from our fall garden, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, harvesting radishes from our fall garden. Thanks for watching.